In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spruce up your Microsoft Teams conversations by adding GIFs. GIFs can bring a bit of fun and expressiveness depending on the context, enhancing communication, even in virtual spaces. Whether you're using Teams for work, school, or personal chat, incorporating a well-timed GIF can help convey your emotions or underline a point, all while keeping the conversation lively. Let's start by heading over to your browser and typing in teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account. Logging in is straightforward, and you should use your usual credentials to access the Teams platform. Make sure you're using the account associated with the Teams environment you want to chat in. Now that we've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams, you'll find yourself in your Teams dashboard. Here, you can see your recent chats or channels that you are a part of. Think about where you'd like to send the GIF. It could be a specific chat with a colleague or friend, or maybe a channel used by your project team or study group. Click on the particular chat or channel that you intend to use for sending your amusing and reactive GIF. This allows you to keep the conversation relevant to the ongoing topic. Next, it's time for the fun part, adding your GIF. Look just below the message box where you would typically type your message. Alongside the other messaging options, there should be a small icon that looks like a stylized photo or media piece. This is the GIF icon. Go ahead and give it a click. You'll see a pop-up or a panel appear, providing access to a wide array of GIFs ready to be used at your fingertips. At the top of this panel, you will notice there's a search bar. This tool allows you to hunt down the perfect GIF based on the sentiment or theme you're targeting. Enter a keyword in line with what you hope to express. For example, if you're excited about a successful project or a positive outcome, you might search for celebration or victory. Once you've keyed in your search term, a myriad of GIFs will be displayed for you to choose from. Browse through them, and when you encounter the GIF that perfectly captures what you wish to convey, simply click on it. By doing so, the GIF gets inserted directly into your message box. Before you know it, your chosen GIF is prepped for sending. To finalize and share it with your chosen chat or channel, just press Enter on your keyboard. And there you go, the GIF is sent, adding a delightful visual touch to your conversation. By following these simple steps, you can easily integrate GIFs into your Microsoft Teams chats and channels, making your interactions more dynamic and engaging. Keep in mind, while GIFs can add vibrancy to your messages, it's always good to consider your audience and context. With this newfound skill, go forth and enhance your communication with the fun and expressiveness only a GIF can provide.